To add sleeping app in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find battery and device care, and then tap battery and device care. Tap battery, and then tap background usage limits. Tap sleeping apps, and then these apps want to run in the background. They may not receive updates or send notifications. To add sleeping apps, tap plus icon, and then select app you want to add, for example CPU sheet, and then tap add. Tap plus icon and then tap add. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.